Hi there, in this next quick video we are looking at problems with these grid lines. Now these grid lines in an Excel spreadsheet are there by default these days, but when you go to File and Print, you generally speaking see that they do not print out. If you want to print grid lines, you can use this borders button and those borders will print. But I would like to show you an issue if you find that you have little bald patches in the middle of your spreadsheet. So let me show you an example. Imagine that I put some colour background on this area for some reason at some point, and then I decided I want to get rid of that colour, and instead of deleting it, I just choose white, and you think you've got rid of it. There is a problem with this. Apart from the fact that you get this very weird little bald area, what it means is when you go to print your file, you will get, just need to move this out of the way, bear with me a second, you will get an additional page because Excel thinks there's something there. And obviously if that bald patch was miles away down the bottom of your spreadsheet somewhere, you might get 20 extra pages or whatever printing out every time you print your book. So my top tip is to track down any of those bald patches. What you could have done is, instead of choosing white as a colour, you could have chosen an option called no fill. That will get rid of it. Or if you think there might be other formats on there, you might have things like currency formats or date formats or something. There's a little purple and white button on your home tab which has got an option on it called clear all. And it's much better than using delete, actually, if you want to get rid of stuff, because as well as deleting the contents of the cells, it also resets all the formatting options. So it'll get rid of things like background color, border color, currency style, etc., etc. And again, when you go to print, Excel will realize there's nothing there now. And can you see my third page that was coming out blank has now disappeared off my print options. So that's it for this video. Come back for more on this series. We're going to be looking at all sorts of just little issues that you get with Word, Excel, with PowerPoint, and hopefully quick solutions for you. Let me know in the comments if there are things that you're struggling with, and we will aim to put them on the list to be published. Thank you very much for watching.